Graduate, jobless, broke, still chasing wealth. That's me. I've always known deep down that I don't want to work for anybody. Where I'm from, a 9 to 5 feels like slavery. And if you stick with me till the end of this story, you'll understand why I refuse to give up, even when the world keeps telling me I should. I grew up watching my dad work night and day. He gave everything he had to his job. Yet, despite his sacrifice, we still struggled. Bills kept piling up. Food on the table wasn't guaranteed. That's when I learned something painful. Hard work doesn't always equal wealth. During college, I stumbled into something that felt like my escape: forex trading. Charts, candlesticks, the constant movement of prices. I was hooked instantly. I told myself, this is it. I'll master this game before I graduate. I'll never have to work a 9 to 5 like my dad. That became my dream, my obsession. But reality was harsh. Every time I managed to save a little money, I funded an account. And every time, I blew it. I worked odd jobs, saved again, bought courses, paid for mentorship. Still no breakthrough. I graduated from college, but not into success. I graduated into joblessness, broke and disappointed. My parents looked at me with doubt. Friends whispered I was wasting my life. But deep inside, I still believed in my skill, even if nobody else did. So here I am today, a trader with no capital. I spend hours studying the charts, analyzing setups, practicing discipline. I win in the demo accounts, past free prop firm trial accounts. I catch crazy pips, but it's fake money. It doesn't pay bills. It's like standing in front of a river while dying of thirst. The water is right there, but I can't drink it. Eventually, I hit a breaking point. I couldn't keep living this cycle. Skill with no capital, belief with no proof. I asked myself, what else can I do? How do I fund this dream without giving it up? The question haunted me, but slowly, the answer came. If I couldn't trade without money, maybe I could build something else first that will fund my trading journey. I started looking at faceless channels on YouTube. Finance, wealth, self-development. People making money while staying completely anonymous. And that's when it hit me. Why not me? Why not now? So started a faceless channel. A way to share my obsession with wealth. A way to stay hidden, but still powerful. So I began. I learned how to write scripts, how to design thumbnails, how to edit. I posted my first video, then another, then another. Views are small, but every number was a step closer to freedom. Subscribers trickled in one by one, then 5, then 10. Even though most of them are my friends and people close to me. But for me, every number isn't just a subscriber. It's a step closer to funding my forex journey and also impacting their lives as I grow my wealth. Showing them they can achieve anything they put their mind to and learn the blueprint for wealth alongside me. I'll be honest, I'm still broke. But I'm not broken. Because wealth doesn't start in your wallet, it starts in your mind. This channel, Blueprint for Wealth, is my path, is my blueprint to freedom and to my subscribers. My way of proving to myself and to anyone watching that you don't need to have it all figured out to start. Just take a step at a time. So if you're chasing financial freedom, if you're tired of being trapped in a system that doesn't reward you, stick around. Let's walk this path together. Because one day, when I finally become a successful and wealthy man, you'll know and also be in that position with me. Because we all follow the blueprint for wealth step by step.